A tricky GIF integral from MIT Integration B. So we have this integral from 1 by 4 to 1 by 2, and then GIF of log of GIF of 1 by x dx. Now for this integral, we basically try to see what the values of 1 by x will be for different cases. And since there's a GIF, we know that it's going to be constant value for many of the values of x. And basically want to see where does this GIF of 1 by x change. For that, we need to first find out when is 1 by x an integer value. Yeah. So while going from 1 by 4 to 1 by 2, the next integer value of 1 by x occurs at 1 by 3 as well. Yeah, since this is an increasing fashion. Okay, so the next integer value of 1 by x occurs at 1 by 3 as well. And in between these two values, and when x is in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3, let's say at 1 by 3.5. So we will have 1 by x as just 3.5, and the GIF of 3.5 will be 3. So we get that in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3, GIF of 1 by x will be 3 when x is between 1 by 4 to 1 by 3. We get this. And now what happens at this case? Yeah, let's say we have 1 by 2.5. Yeah, now at this point we will have just 2.5 to the GIF, so that's just 2. So at this case, the GIF of 1 by x will be just 2 when x is in between 1 by 3 to 1 by 2. Yeah. Okay, so with this, now I think we can take the integral. So we can just divide the integral into two halves. When it's going from 1 by 4 to 1 by 3. Yeah. And the next is when it's going from 1 by 3 to 1 by 2. GIF of log of 1 by x. Now we know that when we are going from 1 by 4 to 1 by 3, the GIF of 1 by x will be just 3. So we can take 1 by 4 to 1 by 3, GIF of log 3 dx. And at this interval, we can take integral from 1 by 3 to 1 by 2, GIF of log 2 dx. Now, log of 3. To find log of 3, we know that this is log base E. E is 2.71. So, for the which value do we need to raise to 2.71 to get 3? It's slightly greater than 1, perhaps 1.1 or something like that. And if we do GIF to that, we will just get 1. Yeah. So, we have integral from 1 by 4 to 1 by 3, 1 dx. And now for this, we know that this is log base E. E is 2.71. So to get 2 from 2.71, we need to raise or something like 0.8 or something like that, since it's smaller than the original value. So 0.8 or something, those values, when we do GIF, we get 0 dx. And now this is x going from 1 by 4 to 1 by 3. Yeah. And this is just a constant going from 1 by 3 to 1 by 2. Okay, so now this is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. This is just c minus c. This is 1 by 12 plus 0. So the final answer is 1 by 12. And we have solved it in a really neat fashion. And I hope you enjoyed this integral. Yeah, thanks for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next video.